Hello, I am Uditanshu Singh and I work as a software developer for UST Kolkata. So recently I have attended the Servant Leadership in Action for Momentum workshop, and it is also known as the SLAM workshop, which was organized by UST. At first I was unsure about the whole program after reading the terms servant leadership, which is literally an oxymoron, but the entire workshop was very engaging and it was a nice experience overall. I really enjoyed bonding with my colleagues through the different activities we performed as a team, as well as individually. And the major takeaway from the workshop for me personally was how we treat people, especially the ones we work with every day and we interact on a day to day basis. It was an educational experience overall regarding how small things, no matter how minuscule they might appear, just make a big difference and a substantial difference on how teams and organizations work as a whole for big companies like UST, and how they help in the bigger picture. On top of that, I would like to implement some of the activities and the things which I learned from there in my workplace as well as my day-to-day life, so that I can be better and help other people get better alongside me. And I would really recommend everyone to just try the workshop once, just for the experience. Even if you are not familiar with the term servant leadership, or if you are like, you know about what it is, you should just still go for it. It's a very nice workshop and everyone should attend it once, I think.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.